Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Now, these words are more familiar to us. But light pollution? Have you ever heard of light pollution? Nowadays, the word light pollution is discussing more by people. Now, the question in everyone's mind is what is light pollution and how does it affect our ecosystem and nature also? How can we solve this problem? Hello friends, welcome to our channel Payal and Shudipta. Let's discuss about this light pollution and its consequences on nature as well as humans being. If you like our video, so please like this video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and to get notification first, please press the bell icon next to it. Let's see what is light pollution. Presence of unwanted, inappropriate or excessive artificial lighting is known as light pollution. Light pollution is the over-illumination of cities and night skies by artificial lighting. It caused by the abundance of light sources emitted light outside of an intended direction. Light pollution caused by street lamps, homes, office buildings, etc. Several types of light pollution exist. Glare, which is a disrupted light that shines horizontally. Light trespass, the unwanted shining of light onto nearby areas. Sky glow, a halo over inhabited areas caused by the scattering of light particles. Over the past several decades, light pollution in North America has increased an estimated 6 to 10% each year due to growing population, greater access to electricity, and increased urbanization. No matter what form light pollution takes, each can have unintended yet harmful impacts. These are: sea turtles have had their nocturnal patterns disrupted. The turtle hatchling instinct to follow the light of the moon in order to reach the sea is now interrupted by the light of inland cities. Because of this, many of them never find their way to the ocean. It disrupts the breeding cycles of amphibians. The photoperiod, which many animals use, is the only constant amphibians have to tell them when it is time to reproduce or hibernate, and they are acutely sensitive to it. It's devastating to bats because insects are attracted to artificial light, which some bat species will not enter. Bats lose many opportunities to feed. It disrupts the migratory patterns of fish. Many studies demonstrated that street lighting from nearby cities can disrupt migratory patterns of fish. It can damage trees by night lightning, especially light along the red to infrared spectrums. Effectively extends the day for many plants. Migratory birds are lured to their deaths. Many species of bird are nocturnal and migratory, depends on the setting sun, the moon, and the night sky to navigate by. Bright lights at night can confuse birds to thinking they are flying towards these navigators instead of straight into a building. Artificial lights confuse the insects that used to fly by. Both nocturnal flight activity and migratory patterns are disrupted, and insects are killed in great numbers by the heat of lights or by predators who find an easy meal. Light pollution also results in the production of additional carbon emissions. Each year, potentially billions of dollars worth of coal or oil, which are burned to produce electricity, are wasted on unnecessary light. It is confirmed that beetles abandon their sky compass and move towards artificial light. Light pollution also affects humans being. The excess light can overwhelm photoreceptor cells in the retina, damaging even one's eyesight. It disrupts natural sleep cycles and causes sleep deprivation, leading a number of death issues, possibly including cancer. Now the question is, can you reduce this light pollution? Yes, there are some ways to solve this problem. These are sealed on street lighting fixtures to prevent direct upward dispersal, correcting over lighting and adjusting light intensity according to the time. France, for example, banned sky beams and in some places set times when lights in public spaces have to be dimmed or switched off, as well as capping the brightness of lamps in ecological sensitive areas. In our country, some citizens already protested in this issue, so that Government of Mumbai have signaled that they are open to reduce light pollution. They have called on the Indian Ministry of Environment to implement some laws. We hope it would not take a blackout for the people of the earth to see the Milky Way one day or rather one night.